very hardly, very rarely people are being recognized. So
That's
that
right.
is where recognition is very much valued. So what is that these people expect? These 25 shining ladies who have been doing human service as far as the community is concerned, they have been doing this without any expectation
That's
for the
right.
community they belong, for the place they belong, in whatever forms they could. And definitely, I think it is a bounded duty of Go Global Business School and Pink Warriors to really honor them with our heart. And another most important thing is, imagine if the same particular program of launching Womenpreneur is happening in any cities, there can be some 500 people, 1,000 people attending the program and applauding and cherishing and celebrating. But now the Almighty has created such an opportunity via online, reaching out to millions of people so everybody could hear it, see it, visualize it, enjoy the whole momentum.
That's
So
right.
now I think Taru is allowing people inside. Yeah,
Yes.
technology is a one which is very difficult. Nobody can believe what the technology will do.
That's right. I think while making Taruprit the host, yes. So everybody can be checking in. And also, G, you want us to speak about them?
Yeah, shall we do that first?
Yes,
Because I think there should not be a lag in the time
that's
in admitting people. If you can go into it about one by one, I think they could be introduced. What do you say, Smitachi? I think that
Yes,
would be good, no?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
so the time could be saved.
yes. So we do have the list with starting with Madam Rupali, right? As the main one of the main lady. Is that right?
Yes, yes.
That's the this thing, no? Okay, let's go in there. And Madam Smitaji can speak about those ladies that has been introduced through your platform, and then that will be good, no? So while we are doing this, and I really, really appreciate everyone to really congratulate them and also come into the space of celebrating. It's time for us to celebrate women, celebrate womanhood, for the kind of achievement they have done for that part of the world and for the work that they do, right? So congratulations. And I also would like Aipaji to be the guest, chief guest, to mention them as a, as if giving away the award, right? Okay.
Aziza, I want you to speak in English and Smitachi to speak in Hindi so that it reaches out in a much more a fabulous way.
Sure.
Can we do
And
that?
also later with the Tamil speakers, we will speak in Tamil so that they also will understand
Okay.
from Tamil Nadu side. Okay. Because my Malayalam and is not good. Okay, Ji. Yes, Smita Ji.
So, yeah,
Yes,
it's Mrs. Rupali Sagar Balwaka from Pune. Over to
yeah.
Smitaji.
Yes, thank you, sir. Congratulations, Mrs. Rupali Sagar Balwarkar, for this achievement. You are the shining light for women, and why you're the first one chosen. You know what? Because you believe in education. आप भी शिक्षा पे उतना ही ज्यादा जोर देते हैं जितना गो ग्लोबल बिजनेस स्कूल और पिंक वॉरियर्स देता है. आपने खुद की पढ़ाई अपने शादी के बाद भी नहीं थामी. शादी के बाद भी आप पढ़ती गई और आज आप 2 बच्चों के बाद भी पीएचडी परस्यू कर रही है. आपका खुद का एक बालेवाड़ी वुमेन्स क्लब है पूना में, और वो क्लब पूरा सोशल वर्क के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान देता है. आपको आपके क्लब के लिए एक एजुकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म ही चाहिए, इसीलिए आप got connected with Pink Warriors and Go Global Business School. Congratulations, Rupali ji, for achieving this certificate of achievement from Womenpreneur online series. Thank you so much for being with us. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
So, welcome Pradiksha Ashok Waman. Over to Smitaji.
Yes. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस प्रतीक्षा पाटिल जी. आप वडगांव मावड, ये एक छोटी सी जगह है पूना के पास. इट कम्स अंडर रूरल एरिया नियर पुणे. बहुत बड़ी बात ये है कि मिसेस प्रतीक्षा जी खुद पूना से होते हुए भी उन्होंने चूज किया कि वो एक ऐसे जगह जाकर लोगों को शिक्षा प्रदान करे जहां शिक्षा पहुंचती ना हो. Okay, so she chose to be a part of rural India and spread education amongst kids there, and that's why she believes in education, spreading education across our country. And इसी एक जज्बे के साथ वो पिंक वॉरियर्स और गो ग्लोबल के साथ जुड़े. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस प्रतीक्षा जी, आप हमारा पार्ट है और आज हम आपका सक्सेस अपने सक्सेस के साथ सेलिब्रेट करके आपको शाइनिंग लाइट फॉर विमेन ये एक सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ अचीवमेंट देना चाहते हैं. Thank you for
Yeah,
joining us.
request everyone who are coming inside the room to please mute it. So can everyone mute your voice?
Yes.
Can
Please,
everyone
guys.
mute it? I think Taru, you can do that from your end.
Yes, sir. Shiny children.
Yeah, you mute everybody. That will be really good because there should not be any sort of external
Any
disturbances.
That's right.
Sorry, Smitaji, please proceed. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
It's Mrs.
Thank you
Jugi
so much.
Banerjee next.
Yeah. Wow. Congratulations, Miss Juhi Banerjee. And she's from Bangalore. She has a wonderful experience, core rich experience in IT. She is a corporate person by background. और आपको बताना चाहूंगी, she is connected with me from the past 14-15 years. She knows me as Smita Mahajan from IT. और उसके लिए स्मिता महाजन एज अ पिंक वॉरियर को फाउंडर जानना स्टार्टिंग में बड़ा सा मुश्किल था. उसे समझ में नहीं आता था आईटी का जॉब छोड़ के स्मिता ये कर क्या रही है. बस एक चीज समझ में आती थी, स्मिता जो भी कर रही है बहुत बढ़िया कर रही है और मुझे भी करना होगा एक दिन तो मैं जरूर करूंगी. उसका ये सपना हमेशा से था कि वो मेरे साथ मिलकर औरतों के लिए कुछ ऐसा कर पाए जो पिंक वॉरियर्स जैसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करती है. और दोस्तों आज उसने ये डिसीजन लिया हम लोगों के साथ जुड़ने का. शी इज ऑलरेडी एम्पावरिंग वुमेन इन हर एरिया. और बैंगलोर से वो हमारे साथ, देखिए जैसे हम लोगों ने, हमारी टीम ने आपको बताया कि हम सिर्फ एक लोकेशन से सीमित नहीं है. कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, मुंबई से कोलकाता तक हम हर एक एरिया को कवर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. यस. और इसी तरीके से बैंगलोर भी अभी पिंक कलर में रंगने वाला है, गुलाबी रंगने वाला है विथ जूही बैनर्जी. Congratulations on your achievement, Miss Juhi. Thank you for trusting us and thank you for joining in the mission. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's Mrs. Shalini Kashyap from Hyderabad.
Wow. Congratulations, Shalini Kashyap ji.
Congratulations.
Yeah. She is just a wonderful lady, I know. And I know her much, much better through Tarupreet's eyes. Okay. She has done wonderful, wonderful job in the profession of being a mentor, being a corporate trainer, language consultant. Okay. आज वो freelancer trainer for German language है. She is into soft skills development. उन्होंने बहुत सारे MNCs के साथ भी जॉब किया हुआ है. और पिंकिश फाउंडेशन करके एक संस्था ऑलरेडी चल रही है, उनके साथ भी उनका सफर बड़ा ही प्यारा रहा है. उनकी सोच ये है कि एक औरत अगर उसे मौका दिया जाए तो वो दुनिया बदल सकती है, खुद की ही नहीं मगर उसके आसपास के लोगों की भी. और उन्हें ये मौका हर बार मिलता है उनकी जिंदगी में क्योंकि ये मौका वो खुद ढूंढ लेती है. और इसी तरीके से शालिनी जी हमारे साथ भी जुड़ी, पिंक वॉरियर्स के साथ, गो ग्लोबल के साथ जुड़ गए हैं. और वो हमारे साथ, देखिए शी इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वन एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड. वाई? बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस, जितना ज्यादा हम ट्रेनिंग्स पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें, जितना ज्यादा हम शिक्षा पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें, उतना ज्यादा सक्सेस हमारे कदम चूमने लगता है. ओके हमें कोई रोक नहीं सकता है, बिजनेस हो या जिंदगी, उसे उसमें जीत हासिल करने की. और शालिनी जी इसका एक जीता जागता उदाहरण है. Congratulations, Shalini Kashyap, for being that shining light for women in your own area. And guys, with Shalini, we are introducing Pink Warriors and Go Global in Hyderabad. Wow, congratulations.
Congratulations.
And now it's Nilofer Desai. Antaru.
Ooh. Yeah, Nilofer ji, congratulations on your achievement for being a shining star. I saw you like a little star when you came to me for the first time. जो बहुत ही ज्यादा डरी हुई, सहमी हुई और एकदम शर्माती हुई मेरे पास आई थी, जिसे बात करने के लिए भी हिचकिचाहट होती थी, अपना नाम बताने के लिए भी हिचकिचाहट होती थी. आप सिर्फ अपने परिवार के बारे में, guys, in English a bit so that Aziza ma'am also understands and people from Tamil Nadu, the south, also understand. She is a woman who had always kept her family above her, loved her family more than anybody else, and after some time her husband made her realize. We talk about pink warriors, we talk about women, and ये एक जीता जागता उदाहरण है जब इस पिंक वॉरियर के पीछे एक, जो अयप्पा सर ने कहा, नो जेंडर बाइसिज्म, एक मेल बहुत स्ट्रांग खड़े होकर नीलोफर जी को सपोर्ट किया कि आप कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हैं और आप में वो सारी क्षमता है कि आप सिर्फ अपना ही नहीं, आपके आजू बाजू वाली औरतों का भी बहुत बहुत ध्यान रख सकते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ शी जॉइंड 2 years बैक, शी जॉइंड पिंक वॉरियर्स. और सफर देखिए विद स्मॉल बेबी स्टेप्स from एक शर्मीली सी Nilofer Desai. Now she is a complete matured woman entrepreneur running her own business of high taste kitchens with, you know, the most authentic kinds of biryani which I could ever have. Okay, she is the best biryani maker I have ever found across the globe. Thank you, Nilofer ji, for joining us in this mission. Congratulations to you for being that shining light for more women. Yes?
Yeah, next one. Yeah, it's Jagruti Walker from Maharashtra.
Okay. Congratulations, Mrs. Jagrati Evalkar, for being the shining light for women around you. And thank you for being with us. Jagrati is a dedicated Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
Thank you. Jagrati is a dedicated, positive person, always eager to learn and grow as an individual. उन्होंने हमेशा जो सफर हमने उनका देखा है स्टार्टिंग से लेके आज तक का, उन्होंने हमेशा नया सीखने के लिए तैयार रहे और लोगों को नया सिखाने के लिए तैयार. आप देख रहे हैं लोग, आप जो भी ऑडियंसेस अभी हमारे साथ है देख रहे हैं, जो लोग सीखने के लिए तैयार होते हैं और सिखाने के लिए तैयार होते हैं, वो लोग शाइनिंग लाइट फॉर विमेन ये सर्टिफिकेट के कैटेगरी में आते हैं. थैंक यू जागृति जी फॉर बीइंग हियर विद अस. उनका एक ब्रांड है गृहिता होम फूड्स, जिसके बारे में वो हमें थोड़ी देर में बताने वाले हैं, हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं, तो बाकी की चीजें आपके खुद के मुंह से सुनेंगे. अभी के लिए कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन योर अचीवमेंट फॉर बीइंग शाइनिंग लाइट फॉर मेनी मोर वुमेन. Congratulations.
Yeah, Mrs. Praveena Agwani from Baramati.
Wow, it's a strong story, everyone. Mrs. Praveena Agawne from Baramati, again a small place in Maharashtra near Pune. Okay, ये एक ऐसी औरत है जिसने हार नहीं मानी, किसी भी स्थिति में सिर्फ लड़ना सीखा. पिंक वॉरियर का जो असली मकसद है, बीइंग अ फाइटर फॉरएवर, ये एक स्पिरिट इनमें हमेशा से रही. आपको बता दें दोस्तों, 10th तक पढ़े थे और इनकी शादी हो गई और आज ये खुद एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में है. बहुत सारे बच्चों को अबैकस, वैदिक मैथ्स एंड लॉट्स मेनी कोर्सेज ऐसे सिखाते हैं. एंड शी स्पेशलाइजेस इन हैंडलिंग इट विथ mental challenges, and that is, she gets amazing results into that. She's too good at that. Thank you. She strongly believes that अगर हमारे अंदर की शक्ति हम खुद पहचान ले तो हम शक्तिशाली अपने आप बन सकते हैं, जिस विजन के ऊपर पिंक वॉरियर्स और गो ग्लोबल स्कूल खड़ा हुआ है। प्रवीणा जी, congratulations for being shining light for many more women with you. Congratulations.
Yeah, now it's Prajna Gulkarni from Pimple Gurao, Pune.
Okay, congratulations, Mrs. Pradnya Kulkarni. I guess I hope you all are here with us in the room and you're enjoying the celebration along with us. And if at all you can just raise your hands and take a bow to this celebration, it will be like really great. Okay, so Pradnya ji, congratulations for being in this category of shining light for many more women. Pradnya has already done her education as BSc B.Ed, and पिछले 22 साल से she is working in various national international companies. वो खुद soft skills and language trainer है, English उनका main subject है, और वो English इस subject में बहुत सारों को अपना ज्ञान बांट चुकी है। बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना प्रज्ञा जी को बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है और वो बच्चों को पढ़ाना काफी पसंद करती है। उनको पिंक वॉरियर्स का विजन इतना पसंद आया कि उन्होंने सोच लिया मुझे इस मिशन में आप लोगों के साथ जुड़ना है, and that's how she decided to be the shining light for many more women around her by being just a part of this great platform which is there in partners with Go Global and Pink Warriors. Congratulations, Pradnya ji.
Congratulations, congratulations.
And it's Bindya from Vishrantwadi, Pune.
Oh wow, congratulations Bindya. दोस्तों मैं बताना चाहूंगी, अगर कोई मुझे सबसे पुराना यहाँ जानता है इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो वो बिंदिया है। बिंदिया मुझे बचपन से जानती है, जब हम छोटे थे और अपने घर के आगे वाले गली में खेलते थे, तब से बिंदिया हमें जानती है। And she's known me from that long. She's seen me grow as a girl to a young girl to a woman and now to a woman entrepreneur. She believes in the vision of changing people's life by adding small value from her side. वो खुद एक फैशन डिजाइनर है और अपना एक क्लोथ लाइन चलाती है जिसका नाम है बिंदु फैशंस। उसे उसके फैमिली का, उसके हस्बैंड का, उसकी 2 बहुत सुंदर बेटियों का बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट है और उस सपोर्ट के चलते उन्होंने हमारे साथ इस जर्नी में एक साथ रहकर बहुत सारे औरतों को मदद करने के लिए एक एरिया चुना है। और congratulations Bindya Shambarkar for joining us and being that shining light for many more women in Pune and in India, and let's take this global very soon. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dee. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's Mrs. Saira Mullah from Mumbai.
Wow. Congratulations, Saira, my dear friend, my very good friend. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for being there with us always and supporting our vision. Saira has rich experience of 20 years in IT industries. She's worked with all great MNCs. With this glamorous career of IT, she got into one thing which was missing. She was finding something, that one piece in puzzle missing, which was not making her so happy. वो जो एक टुकड़ा उस पजल का मिसिंग था, उनका कहना है कुछ तो उनकी जिंदगी में मिसिंग था। एक ग्लैमरस करियर है, पैसा है, पति है, बच्चे है, सब कुछ है, मगर सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं है दोस्तों। और वो सेटिस्फैक्शन जो उन्हें नहीं मिल रहा था, वो पिंक वॉरियर्स जैसे कंपनी के साथ जुड़ के मिला और वो हमारे साथ जुड़ के इस सफर को बहुत आगे लेके जाना चाहती है। एंड उसका एक सपना है कि वो इतना आगे बढ़े कि उसे अपनी इस कॉर्पोरेट जिंदगी को बाय बाय करके पिंक वॉरियर्स को एक कॉर्पोरेट लेवल तक पहुंचाना है, एक ऐसे कंपनी बनाना है जिसे लोग multinational company Pink Warriors Private Limited. Thank you, Saira, for believing in us. Thank you for your true spirit, and thank you for being that shining light for many more women around you.
Thank
Yep.
you.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, Mrs. Romani Verma.
Oh,
Mrs.
wow.
Romani.
She is the newest friend I have in the list, and see क्या जादू है पिंक वॉरियर्स और ग्लोबल जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म का. वी नेटवर्क सो मच एंड वी हैव सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग नेटवर्क दैट जो भी हमसे जुड़ता है वो हमारा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त बन जाता है. और रोमानी वर्मा हमारी एक नई दोस्त है जिन्होंने अपने क्षेत्र में बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. शी हरसेल्फ इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, वो रेवेन्यू एंड प्रोसेस कोच है, वो बूटस्ट्रैपर है जो स्टार्टअप्स को हेल्प करती है. शी बिलीव्स दैट स्टार्टअप्स को अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो विदाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर बढ़े तो बहुत अच्छा है, अपने बलबूते पे बढ़े तो बहुत अच्छा है, और वो उन्हें पूरा का पूरा सहयोग देती है. बिजनेस नेटवर्कर है वो, और उसका नेटवर्क भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है. एंड इसीलिए अपने नेटवर्क को हमारे नेटवर्क के साथ जोड़ने के लिए रोमानी जी हमारे साथ जुड़ी है, और बहुत सारे ऐसे शाइनिंग लाइट्स रेडी करने के लिए. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस रोमानी वर्मा for being that shining light for women and men around you, business people around you. And thank you for joining us in this mission of changing people's life.
Yeah, it's Ramani Lata from Andhra Pradesh. Madam Ramani Lata.
Oh, wow. She is again a strong lady. Ramani Lata. Ramani, congratulations from Pink Warriors and Go Global for being that shining light for so many women.
Thank you, Smita ji, and thank you, Go Global team.
Yeah. So guys, she is from IT background. She just hold on. Yeah, she has a vast experience of more than 20 years in IT, and she has won a lot of global level of awards for her leadership. She is into training, motivation, speaker. She's into writing blogs. She writes very nicely. I have seen her write-ups. I have seen her working with women, and she has come to us with one vision. When I asked her, which area would you like to work, Ramani? She said, I would like to give back to the place from where I belong to, Smita. So she did not choose Mumbai, dosto. She chose her birthplace to make that place better than before for the women who stay there. Thank you, Ramani, for believing in us and for continuing with us in this journey. Thank you so much, and congratulations for being there.
Yeah, it is Mrs. Sarita Vijay Thakur.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sarita. She is so naive and she's a lovely lady here out with a simple background, very simple, but simple background होने के बावजूद भी सरिता का बहुत ही अच्छा नियत है, बहुत ही अच्छा उद्देश्य है. उसे बहुत सारी औरतों को तक पहुंचना है, पिंक वॉरियर्स के बारे में बताना है और उन्हें आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है. She wants to make women in rural and urban India as sustainable as we can. Thank you, Sarita. Congratulations for being that shining light.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, it's Mrs. Yamuna Kesavan from Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Being Tamil, Dr. Aziza, you want to get into it.
Yes, yes. We have Tamil Nadu friends who are being acknowledged as well. And this is Mrs. Yamuna Kesavan, and I have heard amazing things about this awesome lady from Tiruchirappalli. And she is from a social activist background, a serial entrepreneur, very, very active in uplifting the needy and involved in many social activities good in oratorical and writing poems. And she is always on the move in supporting women. Thank you so much, Mrs. Yamuna, for being that shining light for women in Tiruchi and around Tamil Nadu.
Congratulations, Yamuna.
Yamuna.
Yeah, here we have another important lady, Advocate Rahimunisa Begum from Vaishagapattinam.
Yes, good. And it is an afternoon, amazing achievement this lady has brought in. She's from Hyderabad. Madam Rahimunisha Begum is an inspirational shining light in many lives. She is the advocate in Greater BSP Bar with this knowledge of India legislation. She has done many social work and have created great social impact. Her devotion in leadership qualities makes her stand out of the crowd as a light for.
Aziza, you are muted. You're auto muted, please.
But I didn't touch it. I don't know what happened. Sorry about that. Her devotion in leadership qualities really outshines, and for her to contribute in many aspects of doing what she does in the field in Hyderabad. Congratulations, madam.
Congratulations, Rahimunisa ji.
Congratulations, Rahimunisa ji.
Thank you, madam.
It's yet another advocate from Chennai, Renuka Thiruvenkadam.
Yes, Mrs. Renuka, congratulations. We had a wonderful time hearing about you, your entrepreneurial skills, as well as being an advocate. And it's a family business that you run. It's so inspiring to see how you have been contributing to women, as well as the excitement and enthusiasm you bring to light up and inspire women in that part of the India. Thank you so much, Mrs. Renuka.
Congratulations, Renuka. And it's Mrs. Pondarasi Nadarachan from Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, the rice bowl of South India.
Yes,
Dr.
congratulations. Congratulations, Mrs. Pondarasi. And we know that this is like what Ayapaji said, the rice bowl of South India, Tanjavur you're from. And it is indeed a very interesting journey you are in the technology space, and very active in uplifting the needy. Sorry, just a moment. Very active in your boutique business online for women, with a very, very interesting inspiration that you are. Very, very inspiring, and aspiring to spread it all around the country, which is definitely where we are putting you in space with all of us. A social activist too, who has involved in many social religious activities since her childhood. So this is really an inspiration, a very, very young shining light from Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations, Pondarasi. Yeah, now is into the Kanyakumari. We said about Kashmir, and now it's Kanyakumari. Madam Abiba Sharif.
Yes, exactly. Madam Abiba, congratulations. And it's a real honor for us to welcome you. And this is, you are an advocate, you are an education MCOM and MA Tamil. And she has won multiple award-winning stories and poem writing, and contributing in many online and offline print medias, and a passionate educator and teacher from 1989 to 2000. Mrs. Abiba was also staying in Chennai for more than 35 years. She's got a wonderful influence on social media all over Tamil Nadu, even though she's staying in Kanyakumari, and also very interested in politics. She was the first woman to stand for councillor in the Nagarkoil district, Tamil Nadu district, Nagarkoil town, and Kanyakumari district. And and she's a very, very confident in her abilities to influence more women in that part of India to their greatness in life. Congratulations, Mrs. Abiba.
Congratulations, Abiba ji.
Yeah, now it's Mrs. Harsha Gaikwad from.
I think
the place isn't. Must be from the west part. And over to Smitaji.
Hyderabad. Sorry, it's Hadasha Pune. She's from Pune. She's not from Kanyakumari.
Yeah. So yeah, congratulations, Mrs. Harsha Gaikwad. You are a part of Pune. You are from a part of Pune called Harapsar, and you are going to take this up as a challenge, because there are a lot of challenges in your life as well, and now you have decided to come out of all those challenges and bring this shining light to many more women. Harsha ji, aapka ye first, you are a first generation entrepreneur, you are a graduate by profession, and you believe to be shining lights in the lives of many more women. So you are now here to add on that shining light to many more women around you with Pink Warriors and Go Global. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for being that shining light. Harsha ji, congratulations.
Congratulations.
It's Mrs. Gautami Vasudev from Nashik.
Congratulations, Mrs. Gautami.
Very nice. Congratulations, Gautami ji. Congratulations on your achievement as a woman in a small town called as Udgir Latur, and you being a social activist and being a part of social work, which connects you to love many people, help many people around you. You by nature, you are such a simple and a humble human being. I have known you from my friend Jayashri, and I know that your humble and simple background has made you that great person you are. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for believing in us. And thank you for being there with us for bringing that change in Latur part of India. Thank you so much, and congratulations, Gautami ji.
Thank you. Thank you. Ji?
Yeah, it's Mrs. Kalyani Pardesi from again Nashik.
Congratulations.
Yes. Congratulations, Kalyani ji. She is my very good friend. I have known her from the past 5 years. And guys, she's doing a wonderful job. She is the high-spirited woman I know. She has herself been through lots of ups and downs in her life. But एक चीज जो इन्होंने नहीं स्वीकार की, और वो थी हार मानना. उन्होंने हार मानना स्वीकार नहीं किया, वो चलती गई. She has that never ever quit attitude towards life. और इसी एटीट्यूड से वो पिंक वॉरियर्स के साथ जुड़ी है. उनका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड भी बहुत अच्छा है. शी इज इनटू ऑल सीनियर लीडरशिप एक्सपीरियंसेस, एचआर प्रोफेशनल by background, worked with a lot of MNCs in India, and now she is interested in being that social worker or that social entrepreneur to bring that shining light to many more people around her. Thank you for being that shining light for us and for many more, Kalyani. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's Mrs. Kirtana MS. And this women from Australia going to work with support Pink Warriors, getting into Australia too. The first global person going in for the Shining Light for Women Award.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Wow. Wow. Kirtana, congratulations for being there with us, and congratulations for believing in us and our vision. And guys, one place, very small place near Australia called PNG, okay? And she is there. She has been there for quite some time now. She knows what challenges women from India and from the local place go through there, what kind of mental illnesses they suffer because of those challenges. And she's the one who has taken this up to bring that change in that part of the world. And as Ayappa ji said, that this is the first global connection which we are having through Kirtana. And thank you, Kirtana, for being there, for being that shining light with us and being the shining light for many more women like us. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And this is now from Kashmir.
Yeah.
No, it's from Mumbai. Kashmira Elabia. So
Yes.
over to Smitaji.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir, for introducing and congratulating one of my mentors, my gurus. And I just can't believe my guru has come to join hands with Pink Warriors and serve the same vision to the country and to the world. She is one of my gurus whom I have learned from a lot, to be positive, to be in gratitude. Kashmira ji, you are the one who have taught me how to be in gratitude. I will never forget that. And I will be always in gratitude towards you for that. I have seen you changing so many people's life through your good work. You are a fantastic tarot card reader. You are into switch words. You are into so many positive things. You have your own workshops going on. Thank you for being there with us, Kashmira ji, and thank you for being that shining light to me and to many more to come. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's Mrs. Shamika Tambe from Pune.
Wow. Congratulations, Shamika ji. Congratulations for being a part of Pink Warriors and Go Global. She is a first generation entrepreneur friend who wants to work on quality food and providing quality food products to the end customer. Her passion is to bring that tasty, authentic food on the table of everyone who wants that. With a dream to generate employment for her fellow women, she has joined Pink Warriors. She thinks that Pink Warrior would be a great platform to make her dream come true of creating employment for many more women. थैंक यू शमिका जी हम पे भरोसा करने के लिए और हमारे सफर में हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग दैट शाइनिंग लाइट टू us and to many more women. Thank you and congratulations.
So with this, the great 25 shining lights we have completed. I think that has been a real wonderful one.
No, don't on your, what do you call don't on your speaker, but on your video. So we all can see all of you.
On the videos, girl.
It's going to be recorded and fantastic.
Wow. This is what woman power is. And not to believe there's a strong supporter at the back end.
Yes.
Mitaji,
one page.
So one man is an odd man out. I'm the only person over there. Huh?
So don't even think of the rose among the thorns, okay?
It's not that.
Yeah. So thank you everyone. Again, congratulations to all the 25 shining lights.
Yes,
So
congratulations.
you please continue your work, your good work, and we are here from Go Global Business School and Pink Warriors in this journey together to make it global, to make it happen in such a fantastic way of this human service for the community.
Yes.
So now over to Dr. Aziza on launching the Womenopreneur online series. We have the great speakers from Singapore to India. So the people who are going to really add value with empowering sessions with the real brightness of the future of what a woman requires. Over to you, Dr. Aziza.
Yes, G. And we started about 15 minutes late because of the people flowing in. So we still are running short of 15 minutes. So instead of ending at 6:30, we'll be having another 15 minutes of really enforcing what's possible for us in the real world. There were a couple of people who dropped out or they moved on to here, but so far everybody is staying intact. We did a poll online to see how many of people here, what kind of industries they are from. More than almost 70% are in the education sector. Sorry, 70% are in the business. More than 70% of people are in business in this group. So people are out here just doing business. So it's a huge opportunity for us to interact and grow together. And that's why we have put together this amazing platform. So I'm just going to share with you very quickly what we have envisioned for the organization and the work that we are doing right now. Just a moment. So it's going to be a very short presentation on the official launch. And thank you so much once again for everyone coming together and being part of this amazing work. That we have a lot of expectations of ourselves, not from anyone else, but expectations of ourselves to deliver and work with. So, everybody, what are we looking at? We are looking at a flow of life and a flow of so many things that's happening in the world. In the last 7 days, we put together what we call seven action words, and it ended with the word flow. And we have in our clear strength and our clarity that this action word is going to be a very, very powerful word for this whole Womenopreneur online series. It's about us flowing together, about us coming together as one team to flow through 6 sessions of really continuous growth, continuous commitment. And we have come up with the 6 words. So these are the words as you take on today's session, as we say, even though it's a launch, we don't want to make it just for the sake of, just introducing people, but most importantly, the part of learning for you is to really capture this for yourself, because our 6 series starts with a flow in our mind. And these are the words that we will be embracing as an innate quality in us. This is going to be the game changer for the way that business is looked at, how conscious business comes in as a powerful theme for us to grow together. So if you look at it, the 5 words that was brought in, the 6 words that was brought in the 6 days, ending with the word flow, was compassion, trust, synergy, congruency, gratitude, and results. These are the foundations of what we will be talking in terms of value we bring to this whole Womenopreneur online series. Each word has an energy. And what I really, really request everyone to not just look at it as words, these words have energy. And these are the energy that we will be embracing in our space, in our heart, in our doingness, and in our beingness. The word is beingness, to really be in that space of what we call the energy force that can hold us in strength and power. So in order for us to go into this and to be in a flow, we have these 5 awesome words. How many of you love the word courage? How many of you love the word cash? How many of you love the word commitment? And how many of you love the word connection? And all of this is possible only when we have a clear conviction of what we want to do with our life. And this series that we have started, for those who have done the search on me and the work that we do in Go Global Business School, I'm a homemaker who have walked the journey of wanting to see the upliftment of business communities, especially Indian community, since 2002. If I were going to get emotional, I'll have to spend a whole day talking about the journey of how I have walked from Singapore, really walked from Singapore to Malaysia and into India. So even though my parents come from Kanyakumari, I have been born and brought up in Singapore, Chinese educated, and with that Chinese mind of, doing business from Singapore. Remember, Chinese mind, Singaporeans are different from China. Chinese is 2 separate things. We'll have the conversation when we are in the following session. So for me, it has been a journey that I committed to with a conviction in uplifting business community, Indian business community globally. And it's been our journey of really seeing how this can happen. And I'm so glad and grateful when Aipaji showed up last 2 years back. Yes, it's been a long journey trying to fix the jigsaw puzzle and coming into India and building the base of connections, global connection. With a conviction, I worked on global connection and literally across the world, connecting with Indians and of course Chinese, US friends, and all of that. And of course in Malaysia and Singapore, we have amazing networks of people, and of course China. And with the commitment to my conviction, we actually got together with Aipaji. We literally got the work together, and right now we are in front of you. The courage never stops in going things forward. And of course, cash flows when you have all of this is in place. And that is the biggest gift that Almighty can provide us all, a complete flow in life, because we have the right team of people coming together. So I want you all to write these words down. This will form the foundation for the next 5 sessions we'll be running. And how many of you are excited about it? Say yes. And I want you to remember to put, have your book with colored papers with you, because it's going to be a whole brain, whole being learning that we're going to be putting together. And in this session of today is the launch, and then we will have the sessions on redefining entrepreneurship for women. And then we will have, so I'm going to talk about the speakers right now. So the first session is on entrepreneurship, redefining entrepreneurship, and Mrs. Vijay Jagdish. She's from Singapore, an amazing lady who has walked the entrepreneur journey. Literally, all of these ladies have walked their journey in the area of expertise. If you have not muted yourself, please mute yourself. There's a lot of noise coming out. So Madam Mrs. Vijay Jagdish has walked that journey of entrepreneurship, really embracing the power of doing business, where she right now holds a huge portfolio and a very well-known, not just in Tamil, but Tamil market, Tamil industry, but also in terms of Indian businesses across the world. So we're very happy that she's able to share her knowledge on this stage. And then we have the, other than talking about redefining, we want to also talk about the conscious business ethics and growth skills. So this is something that is very important in our business growth. I wish that when I started the journey, somebody told me, what are the skills I need to have and hone? If not, get into teams that have these skills to grow together. So these are the important skills. And when we use the word conscious, becoming aware, it's very, very important. And even though I'm speaking in English, in the sessions that we're going to follow, even the words we will be translating to Hindi and as well as other languages as needed. Please come forth, for those of you language experts, to come forth, also share that language expertise so that we can ensure that our ladies from north to south of India and across the world can really get acquainted with this information. So conscious business ethics is very crucial. People think that making money can be done anyway. The truth is, making money has its conscious business ethics, otherwise known as business principles. And this is the kind of growth skills that we have. And for that, we have Dr. Chitra Prakash from Tamil Nadu, as well as Ms. Sunesh Bharadwaj. All right, her name is so unique. Ms. Sunesh Bharadwaj, amazing, amazing leaders in that space of character development. They have been working with women across and also children and education sectors and men and in various corporate areas. So they have the expertise to share on this space of understanding on how you can create your growth skills to become more powerful in the way that you come across in business. And then we have the, when you're building a business, you need to build communities. How many can relate to that? Nowadays, it's not about building customers. It's about building communities, building tribes. In order for us to do that, we need to know what are the skills, what are the do's and don'ts. How do you build a community that can really stand with you? Your clients should become your shareholders and partners. How do you like that? How do you create those kind of momentum? So for that, we have Dr. Nandini from Gujarat, as well as Dr. Swati from Pune. Dr. Swati Verma Sood and Dr. Nandini Kannan. Both of them will be sharing about it, because these women have built their own powerful tribes, people that follow them and also look up to them and also work with them. And we will be sharing on how that is possible for yourself to build your business. And the final day before we do the finale is about knowing all of this. How do you go global? How do you get online? How do you create your online presence that becomes a voice for you to grow global? Because nowadays it's not about going, it's become so possible to go pan-India. So what will stop us from going global? So for that, we have Mrs. Meena Srinivasan, who is an expert. She's a US citizen staying in Singapore with her office also in Bangalore. She has a wonderful experience in globally conducting a social media marketing business, really working with who's who of the industry. So it's wonderful that she's able to spend her time with us as well. So to round this up, these 5 sessions, on the final day, we will be talking about, are you ready for your transformational journey, which is really about coming into the present of who you are and where you can go to from there. For those who are tuning in, I want you to know that these people that are showing up together with us, we are not here to sell you any product. Somebody just asked, what is the business I will be doing? What business do you want to do? From day one, and since I've been traveling to India, I've always been asked, what business will be good to do in Singapore? What business is good to do? It's not about what business is good to do. It's what does your vision tell you? What is your conviction tell you? What is your mission tell you? That is the direction we'll be guiding towards. And for those who are already in business, as we saw, more than 70% already in business, it's time to wake up that idea of globalization, that idea of business model innovation, that idea that could have stumped you in the last 3 months. If you notice, we didn't talk anything about the last 3 months, because let us be very candid about it. If a business couldn't have survived the last 3 months, means they have to have gone long ago. It's just that they were passing by. So if they have not survived the last 3 months, they are gone for good. For now, we are looking at what's possible for us, because this is the truth of the matter, because business model innovation is here to stay. Your business structure needs to be redefined. Your globalization needs to be tuned up. Your digital transformation needs to happen. So how are we going to do that? That is where all these exciting people are going to show up, and you see, oh, I'm so excited with all these women coming together. You're going to hear real life experiences. And for us, there's 3 things that you need to do. Now, there's going to be a lot of different guidelines and tools for you. And during the first session, we'll be talking about it. There's 3 main things that you need to do in order for you to get successful results from these 6 sessions. The program, you never pay financially, but you're investing the most important thing in your life. That's your time. And that is going to be made sense every time for you when you show up. So these 3 things need to happen for you to be able to maximize your return on investment. So your time invested, your return on investment has to come. So these 3 things need to be present. Number 1, being present. Being present means being present in yourself, to be aware what's being shared, really absorbing it as an energy. That is the power of being present. And have pen and paper with you, not a paper, rather a book. Colored pens is powerful because it becomes a whole brain, whole being learning, where you activate your left brain and your right brain so that you get maximum result from what is being shared. And the next thing you need to do is to be proactive. What's the word? Proactive. You need to really step up your game to be proactive in connecting. And you know, some people are asking about connections. Proactive in connecting, asking questions, and also being really interested in moving forward in what needs to be done. That's very, very crucial. And this is a very important part of the progress that we can make together. And other than that, when you're put into the group, when you notice, you'll be put into a group. That is the online group that will make you very, very open to everybody else. Share about your business. If you don't have a mission, a vision, a conviction on what are you doing with your life, and if the last 3 months has really drained you out, we are here to support you, because if you have survived the last 3 months in spirit, you are still alive and you're moving forward with a lot of much more clarity. And the final third, being participative. So proactive is different from being participative, if I were to tell you that. Being participative is also about, not just about asking questions. We say the real failure in life is the failure to participate. I love it that all of you are present. All of you have been communicating and congratulating, and that's a real human spirit, women's spirit, and that is where we are looking at. So in this juncture, I also want you all to become proactive and productive in terms of opening up your wisdom. It's more than intelligent. I'm sure we all relate to it. Intelligence is skill. Wisdom is an innate Shakti in us, the real wisdom in us. So it's about you to activate that. And we will be